This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Windows Media Player. First, let's open the application. You can easily find it by navigating to your Start menu, then selecting Windows Accessories, and finally clicking on Windows Media Player. Once launched, a setup wizard should automatically appear, guiding you through the initial configuration steps. This process is straightforward and takes only a few moments to complete. Next, you'll encounter a choice between recommended settings and custom settings. For the easiest and quickest setup, I suggest selecting recommended settings. This option automatically applies the most common and optimal configurations, getting you up and running in just a few clicks. If you prefer more control, custom settings allows for personalization, but we'll stick with the recommended path for simplicity today. Now that the initial setup is complete, let's get your media into the player. Windows Media Player is designed to automatically find music and videos in standard locations like your Music and Videos folders. However, if your media is stored elsewhere, you can easily add those folders. Simply go to Organize, then Manage Libraries, select Music or Video, and click Add to include your desired directories. With your media added, you're ready to enjoy your content. Navigate through your library using categories like Artist, Album, or Videos. To start playback, simply double-click on any song or video. You'll find familiar controls at the bottom of the player, including play, pause, stop, and skip buttons. Don't forget the volume slider to adjust your audio to the perfect level. Enjoy your media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.